Afghanistan. Jai Hind and Pakistan. Mexico. India. Namaste India ji. Hello friends. Today I will teach you the world map. Okay. So the dots I already drawn and I will trace it to him with the brown color. Okay. So I have the 3 sketch pen, 1 red and 2 blue and 3 brown. So first we will draw. Okay. So first is India. Now done India, and now the Sri Lanka. This is the Sri Lanka. And now the China. China, Tatakuka. Singapore. Okay. Now this Japan. Okay. Now the Russia is the big continent in the world. Okay. This is the Russia. And this is the Mongolia. Okay? And now we draw the South Africa. But the South Africa language is very harder. Okay? India people, China people, and Russia people cannot talk like a Congo, but only Congo people know how to talk. Okay. And now this is the Europe. And now this is the Israel. Okay. In news, that was an Israel word. It's a very small country. Okay. Now we draw the Brazil. And this is the Mexico. Okay. And now the Alaska. And Canada. This is the Greenland. Okay? Now the drawing is done. Look, now it's beautiful. Tell me the country's name. India. Namaste India ji. Now Russia. Pakistan Swift. USA. Pakistan and Afghanistan. Jai Hind and Pakistan. Mexico. Now South Africa. Maklaka Makaluk. And now Brazil. Oh, Brazil. Now thank you friends for my video. Bye bye, and please subscribe to my channel.